Greetings! Today we will go through the process of installing Netdata on Windows. There are two ways you can go about this, one via the graphical user interface and then with the silent command mode. Check the chapters of the video for exact timestamps. First off, let's start installing the agent using the GUI. You will need to download the MSI installer from our latest stable release and then proceed on double-clicking it. The installer window will pop up and ask you to accept the licenses. Then you can provide your connecting information in order to connect the node to Netdata Cloud, and finally you're asked to set the installation folder. You will get the standard administrator privileges pop-up asking for confirmation, and then the installation process will begin. After that, you're done. You can access the node's dashboard through your space or locally at port 19999. Now, let's see how we would install the agent through PowerShell, using the silent mode of the installer. There is a one-line script at the connect nodes prompt of your space on the Netdata Cloud that will install the agent. To break it down, the first command disables the download information for the installer file, which speeds up the process considerably. The second command is responsible for downloading the MSI installer, and the third one finally installs it with the proper parameters so it can connect to your space. So open up PowerShell with administrator privileges and paste the script. In our example, we also use the /l*v parameter to log the installation process in order to visually verify that everything went smoothly. Hit enter and the installation will begin. Due to the nature of silent installations, we do not have a success message, but we can see the installer has logged the process it followed in the log file, and if we look at the bottom, we can see the message that the installation was successful. And that's all! You can now install Netdata on Windows. Thanks for watching, and if you liked this video, make sure to stick around for more.